Okay, so we've taken some out in here. We've cut this out. So what we have is this piece here, which will go on here. And we'll glue this on here later on, once we get it to fit correctly. So when it slides on, this is part of the part of our back. Okay, we've cut this out. So this piece we don't need. We've also cut this little piece out in here, and this is so when we put our 1/2-inch dowel, we'll go down in here. So we're taking some off in here, we're taking a little bit off in here. We hang on to this piece, and that, like I say, this piece here will go on here. So when we put this on, that all fits together like that, and that's part of our back. So what we will do is we will use this piece to cut this one identical to it, and take off the same thing that we need to take off. So we'll mark this all off in here. This off. That will go like that. And that goes like that. So we'll cut this all out, and then we'll be able to start gluing our pieces together on this. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put them in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.